Inventor Girl. My name is Ala, and today I'm going to teach you how to recycle old crayons. So the first thing that you need is a bag of old crayons. Of course, you always use them. You're going to need 2 trays. One for storing the crayons. See, I got mine right here. And one for putting all the wrappings from the papers. See, like that. You also need a baking pan. You'll need some foil to put over the baking pan. And you'll need some oven molds.
Silicone.
You'll need some silicone oven molds, whatever shape you want. And my mom bought these.
At the thrift store.
And my mom bought these at the thrift store. So, first, you take your crayon and you peel off all of the wrapper and put that in your tray. That is going to be full of wrapper. Oh, and also, you should also sort them by color. So once you've peeled it, you're going to take that crayon and break it into small pieces so they will fit in the mold. Then you put them in so depending on which color the crayon is, that's how you know which pile to put it in. And we also made just a pile for crayons that have glitter. See? 2 different colors, but both have glitter. So, once you're done peeling your crayons, you're going to take the crayons and you're going to fill up the mold. Now, once it's filled, so first you fill up your mold. Fill up to the top, but remember, don't overfill it. Otherwise, the crayons will spill. Now, once you've filled them up, you're going to fill up. Once you've filled one up, you're going to fill up the rest. Then you're going to take it and put it on the foil that's on top of the oven pan. And you're going to put it in the oven. Now we are going to put the crayons in the oven. You need an adult's help for this. You put the oven at a temperature between 200 and 250, depending on how powerful your oven is. Don't forget to check it between every 5 minutes. Now we are going to take the tray full of crayons out. Ooh, I can't wait to see what the melted crayons looks like. You have to let them cool. When they come out of the oven. And when they're all dried, you pop them out. Now, we already let them cool. So now we're going to pop them out. First, you take a corner and you're going to pull this, but not too much so it doesn't break. And you're going to push and push. Then, until it's like this. But sometimes it'll come straight out. Then, if it's like this, you're going to pull it off. Then, you're going to keep on doing that to the rest of them. And now, I am going to show you what it looks like on a piece of paper. And now I'm going to show you what those for. So this is what those 5 look like. And yeah, so that's what they look like. And you can always pick out your own color for your crayons. So yeah, that's how you make crayons. Bye!